Life Gesture Sketch by Alexander Rishkin. When you have sufficient drawing skills and have a good feeling for the paper size, you can do gesture sketching by judging proportions by eye, without measuring proportions and sizes with a pencil, and without making corrections with an eraser. There are many styles of sketching. None of these styles can be considered the only right way of fast drawing by an artist. This is a matter of personal preference, habits, and education. What is important in such sketching is drawing what you know instead of copying what you see. As an art teacher, I have seen many beginners who struggle with fast gesture drawing because they lack the necessary knowledge of human anatomy and proportions. Drawing happens not on paper, but in the artist's head. This is a cognitive process of analyzing visual information and constantly solving a chain of questions in my mind. Such questions may include the following. Which is greater, the height of the head or the distance from the breast line to the navel? Which is bigger, the height of the head or the width of the waist? Does the deltoid in my drawing point to the middle of the upper arm? Is the figure in my drawing symmetrical? How does the point of insertion of the chest muscle influence the chest contours? What is the alignment of the edge of the shoulder, the nipple, and the navel? What is the tilt of the model's shoulders? Does the middle of the figure coincide with the pubic bone? And is it slightly higher than the middle of the paper? And so on. As long as I ask and solve such questions in my mind during sketching, I'm drawing what I know. As soon as an artist stops thinking that way, he or she stops drawing constructively and starts copying what one sees, which results in drawing mistakes. What you see in this sketch are just a few outlines. However, every line is done not just because I see it that way, but because I know what creates its shape.